Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Claude to understand legal documents in plain English. If you're using Claude AI and you want to understand or you want to summarize your any legal document in a simple and plain English, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser and here just simply go to your Claude AI account and make sure that you are signed into your Claude AI account, open a new chat, and in this section, so the very first thing, you just have to try to upload a file. Just click on this plus icon, click on add files or photos, and then just select your file from here. So for example, I'm gonna select this one. Once you have done, just paste this simple prompt here, explain this contract in plain English. Or if you want some requirements, so you can also add them here. If you want anything else, like if you want to change its tone, so you can also add that here. Just click on this submit option. So it will take a few minutes to give you a summary or give you explanation of your contract. So in this way, you can easily summarize any legal document using Claude AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.